So, you want to make more money as a life coach? Well, in this video, we're going to go over exactly how you can go out there and get your first client and start getting paid what you're worth. Let's rock and roll.
We all win when we all win. We all win when we all win.
Hey there, my friend. I'm Super Sid, the marketing shaman, and I help life coaches and healers create and generate their first or next 10K paydays for their life coaching healing business, where they go out there and they generate $10,000 or more using profitable presentations. And in today's video, we're specifically going to be going over specifically how you go out there and make more money as a life coach and going out there and getting your first client so you can start getting paid what you're worth and paid what you deserve right now. We're going to go over specifically in this video a couple of steps on how you can start getting paid clients as a life coach here in just the next couple of weeks. Without any further ado, let's rock and roll. All right, so first things first, why are life coaches and why are you as a life coach going to get paid to begin with? And the truth of the matter is you're going to be getting paid because you're going to be helping someone with reaching a goal or getting to a target that they have in their life, which is going to help them either get to their surface desires, which is going to then help them gain their core desires. So what is a surface desire, right? A surface desire is going to be something that they see on the surface that is usually going to help them get to their main desire or their core desire. That surface desire that I help life coaches with is helping them make more money, helping them create and generate, right, 10K paydays on demand for their life coach and healing business every 30 days or less so that they can go out there and make their first or next 100K as a life coach here in the next year. So that's a surface desire. I'm helping them make more money. And those surface desires are usually going to fall in between the three core markets that life coaches help with. Those are going to be health, wealth, or desires. Mine falls into wealth, right? I'm helping people, helping life coaches in specific make more money so they can start getting paid, what they are worth to begin with. Ironic, it's about what this video is about, right? So anyway, so that is what you say and that is an example of what that is. Now, why would life coaches want to make more money? Well, they want to make more money because that money is going to help them get to a core desire, travel more, spend more time with their family, quit that 9-to-5 job, whatever it might be. But ultimately, right, they're wanting to get to that core desire, and it's a surface desire that I, right, as a business coach, am helping those life coaches go out there and be able to do. And this is exactly why you are going to be paid as a life coach to begin with. You got to remember, right? You're going to be meeting people as a coach, and they're going to be like here, and they're going to be wanting to get here. That's the target. That's the goal. And you as a guide is going to give them a system, a process, something to follow so they can alleviate, right, or eliminate those obstacles that are stopping them from getting to that goal. And you are going to not only help them get to that goal, but you're going to be helping them get to that goal faster than if they were to do it by themselves or not hire you or hire somebody else, right, instead of you to begin with. So we want to make sure that not only, we let people know that we're going to help them, but we're also going to help them get there a lot faster. All right, so we know specifically now why life coaches get paid. We know why specifically life coaches are going to start getting paid, and how you're going to start getting paid as a life coach. Now let's talk about how we sign up more clients as a life coach and how we make that possible even early on when we don't know a lot of people, and maybe a lot of people don't know us as a life coach to begin with. So what we want to make sure that we do is that we're out there demonstrating exactly how we can help people by actually helping people in the marketplace as often as we can. I think a lot of life coaches get stuck, especially at the beginning, because they're really out there trying to reach out to one person at one time so that they can show or educate that one person at one time how they might be able to help them, and really not, going out there into a perfect profitable niche or going out there into a sea of people who actually need their help and simply just saying, hey, this is how I can help you. So what we want to make sure that we do is that we are surrounding ourselves, right, through multiple people every single month that need our help. And the best way that we can do that is through what we classify as profitable presentations. Before I go into this next piece and this next segment in this video around how you can go out there and you can put on a successful profitable presentation so you can go out there and sign up more clients quickly and start signing up new life coaching clients for your business every single week, I want to remind you to subscribe to this channel. I'm putting out new and exciting videos every single day showing life coaches and healers how they can go out there and create and generate their first or next 10K paydays for their life coach and healing business, where they go out there and they generate $10,000 for their life coach and healing business in the next 30 days or less with profitable presentations. Make sure to click that button below and subscribe. All right, so you want to go out there and you want to sign up your first client, or you want to go out there and start getting, signing up clients consistently as a life coach. And we talked about the best way to do that with profitable presentations. Let's start talking around how you can put together your first profitable presentation so you can go out there and use this profitable presentation as a way to sign up your new clients as a life coach. So the first thing we want to make sure that we do with this profitable presentation is we need to make sure who is it that we're going to be presenting in front of. Do we have a perfect profitable niche? And then ultimately, if we have a perfect profitable niche, do we have an offer that we can offer that perfect profitable niche at the end of that presentation. We got to remember that this presentation is geared toward not only helping people, but also asking people if they want to get our help more. So we want to make sure before we ever start creating a presentation to help people that we have an offer that we can offer them on that back side of that presentation. The next thing we want to make sure that we do in this whole dynamic is we want to make sure that we identify which type of profitable presentation we want to run so we can go out there and deliver, right, the content, deliver the presentation the best way that we can so that we can actually help people at that presentation, right, get help with the problem that they have and ultimately feel better about signing up with us to work with us further. So what we want to make sure that we do, right, is that we identify one of the 5 different types of presentations that we can do. We can do a live event, we can do an online workshop, we can do an online masterclass, an online challenge, or even online summit. But ultimately, whatever it is, we want to make sure that whichever way we are delivering this profitable presentation, we're going out there and delivering it in a way that is going to help the people at that profitable presentation get help with the problem that they have. And then last and certainly not least, right, before we get into any of the techno babble, before we get into the slides, before we get into the sales stack, anything like that, we simply need to show up. We need to show up not only for ourselves, but for the people that are there so that we can actually help them. I know this is a simple thing, but we want to make sure that at those presentations, we simply just show up. Yeah, we want to give them a date. Yeah, we want to, promote it. Yeah, we want to get a lot of people there, but you'd be absolutely surprised at how many people just flat out don't show up or don't show up and fully when they actually get there. And this absolutely handicaps them from actually going out there and signing up new clients each week. If you simply just show up, want to help people, demonstrate helping people and give them your best stuff, the chances of you signing up new clients every single week is going to skyrocket, and you, my friend, are going to start signing up new clients every single week through profitable presentations. All right, so we talked about profitable presentations and we went over at a very high level how you can go out there and run a successful profitable presentation. But Sid, how do you sign up people from profitable presentations? There's 3 specific ways that we talk about signing up people from profitable presentations. The first way is going to be a sales stack we talked about previously, where we're going to be asking people at the end of that profitable presentation if they would like to continue to get our help more. And specifically at the end of your profitable presentation, you're simply just going to ask people, hey, you got help from me at this profitable presentation. Would you simply like to continue working with me and getting my help more so that you can reach this bigger goal that you might have? The second way that we're going to do it is we're going to reach out to people at the end of this profitable presentation who maybe didn't sign up during that sales stack, and we're simply going to ask them to hop on a one-on-one customization or strategy call to go over how we can strategize and customize a specific thing we went over during that profitable presentation with them, and then ask them on that call if they'd like to work with us. And then last and certainly not least, how we sign up people is maybe they're not ready to sign up with us on that one-on-one call. Then what we do is we simply point them in the direction of coming to our next profitable presentation and then look at signing them up at the next profitable presentation, either at the presentation or on that one-on-one call. But ultimately, we want to keep them around because as we keep putting on consistent profitable presentations, the leads and the prospects of people who need our help is going to grow and grow. And ultimately, we're going to get more opportunities to help more people and ultimately make more sales the more we consistently do these profitable presentations. Are you a brand new life coach looking to go out there and sign up new clients quickly? Well, I just got done with a brand new free report which talks about the 10 hottest and winningest life coaching niches in the marketplace right now. This report is going to go over the 10 hottest and most profitable life coaching niches that are out there right now that you can use and you can leverage inside your life coaching business to make more money quickly. Just make sure to click on that link down there in the description and grab my brand new free report that I made just for you that is going to go over with you exactly what the top 10 life coaching niches are right now in the marketplace, making the most money, and how specifically you can use them in your business. And don't forget, we all win when we all win. I choose to win today, and I know you choose to win because you're going to click on that link down there in the description and you're going to get started on generating your first 10K payday by going out there and picking a perfect profitable niche down there in that free report down there below. We'll see you in the next video.